When iron rusts, does it get heavier or does it get lighter? Let's find out. Come a little closer. It's easy to think that when iron rusts, it gets lighter. After all, rust is brittle and flakes away, revealing fresh iron. But is the rust itself lighter? In 1775, French scientist Antoine Lavoisier discovered that rusting was not due to the loss of a material, but rather the gaining of one. Oxygen in the atmosphere combines with the iron to form rust and becomes heavier, not lighter. Let's take a moment to appreciate the reading on the scale increase as the iron rusts in this combustion reaction.